Welcome everyone. In my previous video I have finished digestion. Now today I'll explain respiration. Respiration, what is respiration? It is the breaking down of food, or you can say glucose, in the presence of oxygen, and which is most important is and release energy. And this energy is stored in the form of ATP. So what is respiration? It is the process of breaking down or burning of food, okay, or oxidation of food in the presence of oxygen. That is known as respiration. And main here important is it releases energy. So food plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. So breaking down of food material and releasing of energy is known as respiration. Now how this ATP is produced? ATP, what is ATP? ATP is the energy currency of a cell. So ATP in the form of, it is a high energy content. ठीक है, अब ATP कैसे होगा? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Now, as soon as the breaking of food takes place, what is released? Energy. ठीक है, and this energy, what it does? This energy, it combines with ADP and PI. These two are already present in the cells. ठीक है, तो ये ADP और PI is what? Inorganic phosphate. So this ADP is what? Adenosine diphosphate. ठीक है, so adenosine phosphate, diphosphate and phosphate, inorganic phosphate, it combines and it produces what? ADP, PI plus energy, which is released at the oxidation of food, and it forms ATP plus energy. ठीक है, ATP plus energy. That ATP itself is high energy, and ATP is high energy content, not plus energy. ATP it is itself is high energy content, and ADP is low energy content. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? जो ADP और इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट, एडिनोसिन डाइफॉस्फेट और इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट, ये दोनों जो सेल्स के अंदर होते हैं, ये दोनों एनर्जी जो कि ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ फूड से निकला है, इसके साथ कंबाइन होगा और बनाएगा क्या? एटीपी. और ये एटीपी इट इज एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. एक और फॉस्फेट ग्रुप ऐड हो गया, तो ये क्या बना? एटीपी. तो एटीपी क्या हो गया? ट्राइफॉस्फेट, और डीपी हो गया डाइफॉस्फेट, एंड एनर्जी इज स्टोर्ड. सो दिस एटीपी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी इट इज स्टोर्ड इन द मसल्स. और जब भी हमारे बॉडी सेल्स को एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है, तो ये एटीपी ब्रेक हो जाता है, एंड दिस एटीपी इज अगेन कन्वर्टेड इनटू एडीपी प्लस पीआई प्लस एनर्जी. ठीक है, ये फिर ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है. कब होगा? जब हमारे बॉडी सेल्स को एनर्जी का रिक्वायरमेंट होगा. ठीक है, इन दिस वे एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी सेल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी. सो एटीपी इज द एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ अ सेल. क्लियर? सो whenever the question will be what is respiration, always remember releasing energy is very, very important. How breaking down of food in the presence of oxygen and release energy, that is important. ठीक है, so energy is released in the form of ATP. ATP in the form of ATP, this energy is stored in the muscles. So whenever our muscles or body cells, they need energy, they break down. How it takes energy, that is ATP is again this ATP, it breaks down into ADP and inorganic phosphate and energy. Clear? And this way ATP is formed. This is in case of oxygen is in the presence of oxygen. So in my next video, I'll explain that oxygen types of respiration, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So keep watching my video, children, and keep subscribing it. Thank you.